For today intraday trading, I have selected Sun Pharma in my watch list. We will discuss region, analysis, result, and the learning lesson that we have got today. So starting first module. Very first region that I always look in any stock before going to trade in that is its dominant pressure. Dominant pressure in this stock is looking very clearly buying because price is creating higher highs on 5-minute time frame. So so you can see this is the very first low, second low, third low, fourth low. All the lows are in ascending order. That means we are getting higher lows and higher highs. So this is clear indication of and existing uptrend. So what we can expect in this stock in as our expected follow through action, because we are expecting uh, upward momentum for the continuation of this uptrend. In that case, we will need few more regions. So first region was its dominant pressure. Second region was provided by this stock on yesterday from 11:35 till 2:30. This stock was trading in a very tight range, and this range was also very narrow. So that indicated me there are new position is getting created. So new position is getting created. How I have derived that this new position was getting created? Because the last moment of the stock at the last of at the ending of that fight is in upward direction. So that means we can say bulls have won over here and they are able to keep the prices up. This was the second reason. Third reason was provided by the market today, and this reason was market was in green. First candle has broken 763 level, and now what is 763 level in Sun Pharma? You can clearly see first it was tested two times by first it was tested on 8th December, that is on yesterday. Again same level was tested by the price on the same day. So two times tested, again in the morning again it was tested. So three times this level is tested, and when this level was broken, that means bulls are interested to buy this stock above 763. So what is the indication of that? That means we can take a long position over here. As a result of this, I have started waiting for a retest. So price came nicely. So I was expecting that it will come retest the 763 level and started moving up. So till 10:05 it happens, but after 10:05 it again came down below 763 level, and here a small buildup was created. Price again resumed its uh, existing dominant pressure direction. So I have taken position on the high of 10:35 by giving the stop loss just below this candle 10:25. So very small stop loss, and against this I was expecting the movement of Sun Pharma till 771, because if I zoom out the chart you can clearly see presence of a very good a very strong resistance level on around 770. So before 770 I would have exited from the stock, but now stock has not moving up. So I was discussing the reason. First reason was its dominant pressure. Second reason was this. Third reason that a level is getting tested multiple times by a price. So these three reasons are enough to go long in this stock, and that is what I have done. So what is the result? Result is that I have booked loss, very small loss, because I have got hint or indication by the price that price will not move in upward direction. So how I have got that? Let me explain you that point also. So first I will show you the different chart type of the same thing. So what are you can see over here? Simple. So double bottom, or you can say triple double top, triple top or double top, you can say here. First high, second high, third high, fourth high. If I go point wise, then fourth high was created, and this is a clear indication of the price is getting in supply zone and huge selling pressure is coming over here. So double top is also a very good pattern to trade. So I exited as soon as it re-entered in this level. So very small loss I have booked because I sensed that this price will move in downward direction. So that is what it is happening. But reality is that today whole day price will move in a range. So there is no trending market today. So whatever the price, if you have already whatever the position you have already made, if you are taking some profit, then book it and get out of the market, because you will not get your target in most of the times, because today market is range bound, and also expiry weekly expiry is also today. So these two factors has given me clue that price will not move in our desired direction, and it will also not move in our opposite directions. That means price will be trading in a range. So for that we will see till 330 and we can prove that. But that is a different story. In our part, I have actually booked a small loss, and you can say a great escape also here. One more point I want to explain you guys, that how price has indicated me that it will not move up. So creation of higher high is the symbol of uptrend. Similarly, the creation of higher lows is also a symbol of downtrend. So that is what happened. So first high was created on 950, second high was created on 10.5, third high was created on 10.45, and first high was greater than second high was greater than third high. So lower highs that indicated me that please get out of the stock whatever you are booking or not booking, so that will be in your favor. So saving money is also a kind of profitable trade in the market, because keeping money with you is not a harm idea, is not a bad idea, and it will not be harmful for you. So this is the learning lesson that I have learned today from this trade. So we will wait and watch. For today I am not going to take any trade. Thank you. Keep watching, keep trading, keep learning, and that is the only thing that will help you. So thank you guys. Bye.